Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful loose and elastic shell stitch pattern. For your information, shell stitches are among the famous crochet patterns which are made using the multiple load 4. These stitches are so easy to create. They are suitable for all crochet projects and they can be made by all crochet level including the beginners. These are what they look like. Well everyone, now let me show you how to crochet these patterns and let's get started. To create a loose and elastic pattern, I'll be using these tiny yarns with 3mm crochet hook from Tulip. I'll start with a slip knot. Then I will make 20 foundation chains. Okay, now I will make the main pattern. Firstly, I will make 2 double crochets on the 4th stitch from the hook. 2 first double crochets. 1 and another one. 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Then skip 3 stitches. Make the new pattern in the 4th stitch. Make 2 first double crochets. One chain and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Skip 3 next stitches. Make 2 first double crochets in the 4th stitch. Then 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Okay. Skip the next 3 stitches again. Make 2 first double crochets in this 4th stitch. 1, 2, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Skip 3 stitches. Make 2 first double crochets in the 4th stitch. This is the last pattern for this first row. 1 chain, then 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, the first row is completed. The result is so loose and so elastic. Okay, now I will make the second row. I start with 3 chains or 3 turning up. Then turn the work. 2 double crochets in this chain space. 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Then go to the next chain space. 2 double crochets. 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, done. Then jump to the next 1 chain space, 2 first double crochet. This is the first one. This one is the second one. one chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, 3 pattern for this second row. The fourth one, jump to the next one chain space, 2 first double crochets, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, then this last pattern for the second row, 2 first double crochet, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, the second row is completed. Okay, now I'm gonna make the third row. Start with 3 chains, then turn the work, repeat the actions, 2 first double crochets in this first chain space, 1 chain, 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, jumps to the next, 1 chain space, 2 first double crochets, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, go to the next, 1 chain space, make 2 first double crochets, 1 chain and 2 last double crochets. So easy. Okay, next, jump to the next, 1 chain space, make 2 first double crochets, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, the last one, the last pattern for the third row, 2 first double crochets, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Okay, these are what the loose and elastic shell stitch pattern looks like. You just need to repeat these patterns until you get the size you want. This is the size that I want for this tutorial. The combinations of tiny yarns with a larger crochet hook make the result so gorgeous and beautiful. And of course, they are so elastic. Well everyone, I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!